This is Mick Elliott from Electronic Specifier at Electronica. I'm with Richard Curtin, who is the Chief Technology Officer of OKdo. Rich, before we get on to a couple of very interesting new products you've got on show here, can you just give us a little background and summary about OKdo?
Yeah, absolutely. OKdo is part of the RS Group, and our focus is on the SBC side of the business. So industrial IoT, enterprise, and smart connected solutions. So we do a range of off-the-shelf products, such as the ROC products that we're going to talk about and NVIDIA, but we also do a range of services, including design customization, manufacturing, and prototyping, to meet different customer needs.
And you've got an engineering team to help customers?
Yep, so we have a large engineering team, FAEs and product developers, but we also have a partnership network as well. So we have a design team out in China, and we also have a design team out in Sweden as well.
And manufacturing or assembling the boards?
Yeah, it's a good question. So we're ramping up our global manufacturing at the moment. So we currently manufacture out in Asia, in China specifically, but we are just about to launch manufacturing in the Americas and in Vietnam. So we're trying to globalize our footprint to meet our customers' requirements.
Okay, let's turn to ROC. I know this is there's a new product here at Electronica. Just give us a bit of background on the whole ROC family and the new product as well.
Yeah, I'd love to. So actually, the ROC chip single board computers have been around for a little while already, but actually what's kind of new and exciting at Electronica is that earlier this year, OKdo, as part of the RS Group, signed a new partnership agreement with both ROC chip and with a company called VAMRS out in China, who are the IP owners of what was the ROC Pi board. And what we've done at OKdo is we've dropped the Pi, they're now just the ROC single board computers, and we're enhancing the range to meet our customer needs. And it starts really at the beginning with a kind of a Raspberry Pi form factor board. It's a friendly board, people are used to using this type of form factor, it's low cost, and it runs on the ROC chip RK3399 chip. Really good performance, and these are in stock and shipping globally. We have a range of them. This is the SE that I'm holding in my hand now, but we also have a C+ board as well. The only difference between the two is one has an external antenna, so some of our industrial customers like to route the connectivity outside of an enclosure. But the range continues, so we also have a range of compute modules for the ROC range. We have a ROC 3 and a ROC 4 compute module, and we're taking these to market as well, particularly for scaling our industrial customer requirements. And then finally, what I will just share with you is actually just on Tuesday, we launched the ROC 5 board. So this is a next generation SBC. Actually, OKdo has been in SBCs for a long time. We've not seen or had anything like this. And just to give you a couple of examples, you're going to see I/O on this board that we've never seen before. So this has 2.5 Giganet Ethernet, HDMI, but also impressively the ability to run 8K processing, and actually it's the demo that we're running here today on the stand, which is absolutely fantastic. And again, these are in stock and shipping now.
What sort of applications are you looking at with this latest product?
Yeah, so anything to do with digital signage, obviously with it having 8K capability, that gives it a big advantage, but really anything such as digital vending machines, anything to do with signal processing, streaming, but we're looking at some automotive applications as well with this board, so it has a multitude of applications.
Okay, and it's available now?
It's available now, yeah. We've got stock arriving this week. I think it's selling, but it's you can order it at both at RS and at OKdo. Okay,
terrific. We're now going to move over to another launch here at Electronica OKdo. So we're back with OKdo at Electronica. Now, Rich, what we've got here obviously is a collaboration with NVIDIA. How long has that been going on, and what's new at Electronica with NVIDIA?
Yeah, so actually we've been working with NVIDIA for the last 2 years. Our engagement started actually as a distribution engagement. So we were working with them on their really popular Jetson Nano development kit, and actually we quickly became their biggest distributor of that board. But where we've progressed with NVIDIA is that now we're moving into a position where we're manufacturing, designing solutions to scale AI customers, and that's really what I want to show you today, which is quite exciting on the stand.
Absolutely. Okay.
So if I talk about the NVIDIA Jetson Nano development kit, that was a hugely popular board, but unfortunately through supply chain and prioritization, NVIDIA had to curtail the production. So we were scratching our heads internally because we had a lot of customers looking for this product, and what we've been able to do is actually with our design teams design a carrier board that is exactly the same form factor as the Jetson Nano development kit. The I/O interface is exactly the same, the user experience is exactly the same. You can flash the SD card and boot up into the NVIDIA environment for software. But what's really special and differentiated about what we're doing at OKdo is that we switched out the development kit module for a production-ready module. And what that means is that customers who take this board, take this platform, can design with it, can prototype with it, but they can actually move this into a scalable artificial intelligence application. And we offer services. So if a customer wants to come back and customize the carrier board in a certain way for a certain application, that OKdo team are ready to help.
Just give us an example of what a customization might entail.
Yeah, absolutely. So what we envisage is this carrier board that we have will probably meet the needs of most customers. However, if it's going physically into an end application, they might not need some of the I/O. So they might not need the USB. They might need a dual Ethernet. There might be other aspects of the connectivity that they need to change. And that's what we envisage in the early days will be the most popular customization. But if the customer wants to completely transform the carrier board, that is an option as well, depending on volumes, timeframes, etc.
Okay, and this is available now?
Yeah, that's the exciting bit of the show. So not only are we showcasing the rock boards that we've talked about, but this NVIDIA board has just gone live this week and is proving really successful so far.
Okay, so you had a good response so far, obviously.
Yeah, the customers love it. One, because the Jetson Nano board has been unavailable for so long, but also because they can see the scalability of this platform, and the fact that we're offering it globally is just a really big plus point.
Okay, Rich Curtin from OKdo, thank you very much.
Yeah, brilliant. Thank you.